Hello again, and welcome back. For this lesson, we're going to take a look at numbers. In English, numbers are split into two groups. We have the cardinal numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, etc. And these refer to the quantity. We also have the ordinal numbers, so first, second, and third, and this refers to the distribution. So we've got the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers. Let's start off with the cardinal numbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The cardinal numbers. Before 1, we have the number 0. It's pronounced in a variety of different ways for different contexts. Unfortunately, usage varies between different English-speaking countries. So these include 0, 0, and that's used when you read the number by itself, when you're using decimal points, percentages, and phone numbers, and in some fixed expressions. We've also can pronounce it as just O. So 0 or O. O used to read years, addresses, times, and temperatures. O. We've got nil, which is used to report sports scores in games such as football. So nil. And finally, naught, which is used in the UK, but not in the USA. So the number 0, so we've got 0, O, nil, and naught. 0, O, nil, naught. So, we've looked at the cardinal numbers. Let's have a look at the ordinal numbers. So, the ordinal numbers represent the distribution. So, when a number ends in 1, it reads as a first. First. 1, first. When a number ends in a 2, it is read as a second. Second. When a number ends in a 3, it is read as a third. Third. And when a number ends in a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 0, it is read as a th. So, for example, fourth. Okay. Let's have a look then. So, ordinal numbers. So, number 1, first, 2, second, third, 4, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. So, when we're in a race, your position is like this. First, number 1. Second, number 2. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. That's the order. Numbers are also split into two again. So we have odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers are any numbers that are multiples of 2. So, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then we have the odd numbers, And these numbers cannot be divided equally by 2. And these include 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we have even numbers and odd numbers. Let's have a look at the teens, 20s, and up to 100. So we can count from 0 to 10, but what comes next? The names of the numbers follow some relatively easy patterns. With 10 to 20, most numbers have a teen in their names. Teen. Let's have a look. Okay, so next we have 10, 10, 10th. That's the ordinal 10th. 11, 11, 11th. 12, 12, 12th. 13, 13, 13th. 14, 14, 14th. 15, 15, 15th. 16, 16, 16th. 17, 17, 17th. 18, 18, 18th. 19, 19, 19th. And then 20, 20, and 20th. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after 20, the numbers follow another pattern. So each number is named 20, and then the number of the second digit is named. So for example, 21. So you've got 20 and 1. 21. Let's go to 30. So 20, 20, 20th. 21, 21, 21st. 22, 22, 22nd. 23, 23, 23rd. 24, 24, 24th. 25th, 25, 25, 25th. 26, 26, 26th. 27, 27, 27th. 28, 28, 28th. 29, 29, 29th. 30, 30, 30th. So we've got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. This pattern in the 20s continues for each set of 10. So again, for 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and again for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Let's have a look at these numbers. 40, 40, 40th, 50, 50, 50th, 60, 60, 60th, 70, 70, 70th, 80, 80, 80th, and 90, 90, 90th. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. After we've counted from 90 upwards, we reach 100, 100, 100th. When we reach 100, a new set of rules is applied when naming the number. This is very easy. We just follow this rule. When naming the numbers past 100, pronounce 100 and the number after. 100 and the number after. So for example, we have 101, 101, 120, 120, and we've got 145, 145. So 101, 120, and 145. This is until we reach 200. Then the numbers turn to 200 and. This continues until 1000. For example, 201, 220, 240. 1000 follows a similar rule to 100. The number is pronounced as 1000, then whatever number follows. No and is required here. So let's have a look. We have 1,222. So let's split it up. 1,222. 1,222. This one, we have 1,546. 1,546. This one, we have 2,134. 2,134. 1,222, 1,546, 2,134. Thank you very much.